Huzur, he says, refers to Hazrat Masih Islam's writing in Islami Usul ki philosophy. In that book, Huzur writes that nafs-e ammara is this natural or tabi halat of every human being. On the other hand, the Holy Quran says that Allah has created man with just fitrat Allahi allati fatara an-nasa alayha. The man's tabi halat has got a resemblance with Allah. Fitrat Allahi allati fatara an-nasa alayha. So
it's about children. That verse refers to the children, that all children are born on Islam, and their tabi halat is that of masoom. They do not commit an error, they do not rebel against Allah. So this verse applies to the children, not to the grown-up people. In Hadith, Rasulullah tells us that فَأَبَوَاهُ يُحَوِّدَانِهِ or يُنَصِّرَانِهِ or يُمَجِّسَانِهِ. The children are born on fitrat, but when they grow up, it is their parents who change them. They either make them Yehudis or Majusis or Nasranis. It all depends on their teaching. So they are not born with that teaching which has been imposed upon them by their parents.